Hello, my name is Martin and I'm responsible for the Advanced Materials Design course. Materials are a driver for accelerated technology development. And I think materials will be even more important in the future with increasing industrial demands. We therefore need to thrive for faster development cycles, lower development costs and more sustainable solutions. So if you wonder how you can achieve this, then this course is right for you. We will teach you about integrated computational materials engineering, or short ICME-based materials modeling, which is very much in comparison or as a contrast to classical materials development. One of the examples that we will talk about extensively in the course is the design of new cemented carbide systems. Starting from the application, in this case cutting tool inserts, we can build up our design framework along multiple material length scales. To understand the material's behavior, we need to have our tools and models, our toolbox, that help us to understand the material's evolution down to atomistic effects. Starting our design from the performance allows us to deduct the material's properties that are needed to achieve the performance, of course. From here we can follow up into the material's microstructure, and we can understand what microstructure do we need to achieve the properties. And finally, of course, the processing. We want to understand what processing do we have at hand in order to achieve the microstructures in the material that are then connected to the properties and performance. In this course we want to teach you strategies on how to design a material virtually and work on the connecting modeling tools for the process structure and the structure properties relationship. Okay, now that you learned a little bit about the technical part of the course, let's wrap it up with the structure. So we split up the course in 6 different modules, where the first 5 modules will actually focus on the toolbox, the different tools and models we have available, and the last part within the 5 modules, or all over, is more or less the design strategies, the philosophy that we can use in our underlying designs. So the last part, module 6, is actually a design project, where you take all the knowledge that you gain throughout the course, all the expertise that you have built up, and put it together with all your classmates in different projects in an international environment, and then you use your knowledge that you gained for an industrial-related project. You could, for example, design a new material or redesign an existing material. If you are now curious to learn how to design the materials of the future, you will gain all the essentials in this course. I look forward to see you next year.